How to learn SEO. Welcome to this video where we will discuss how to learn search engine optimization (SEO) in a professional manner. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. It involves various techniques and strategies to improve your website's visibility and attract more organic traffic. The first step in learning SEO is to understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with search engines and how they work. Learn about keywords, meta tags, and how to create quality content that is relevant to your target audience. Next, it is important to stay updated with the latest trends and changes in SEO. Search engines constantly update their algorithms, and staying informed will help you adapt your strategies accordingly. There are many online resources available to learn SEO. Look for reputable websites, blogs, and forums dedicated to SEO. These platforms often provide valuable insights, tips, and tutorials to help you enhance your SEO knowledge. Additionally, consider taking online courses or attending webinars on SEO. These structured learning programs can provide in-depth knowledge and practical exercises to improve your skills. Practice is key when it comes to learning SEO. Apply your knowledge by optimizing your own website or helping others with their SEO efforts. Experiment with different techniques and monitor the results to understand what works best. Networking with other SEO professionals can also be beneficial. Join online communities or attend industry events to connect with experts who can provide guidance and share their experiences. Remember, learning SEO is an ongoing process. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of search engine optimization.